First off, let's get a sense of scale here. Galaxies are enormous, and Andromeda is one of the largest in our local group. Andromeda is a massive galaxy, home to about 1 trillion stars. That's 1,000 billion stars, each potentially hosting its own solar system. It's roughly 2.537 million light-years away from us. That's an almost incomprehensible distance, yet it's closing in on us. But don't let that distance fool you. It's speeding towards us at about 110 kilometers per second. That's faster than any spacecraft we've ever built. That's roughly 68 miles per second, folks. To put that in perspective, it's like traveling from New York to Los Angeles in just a few seconds. So what does this mean for us? What will happen when these two galactic giants finally meet? Well, the good news is we've got some time. This isn't an immediate concern. This cosmic crash isn't happening tomorrow or even in our lifetime. It's a slow-motion event on a cosmic scale. Scientists predict that the collision will occur in about 4.5 billion years. That's a time frame that's hard to wrap our minds around. That's right, billion with a B. It's a reminder of just how vast and ancient our universe is. When Andromeda and the Milky Way finally meet, it won't be like two cars smashing into each other. It's a much more graceful process. Instead, it'll be more like two giant clouds slowly merging. The stars within each galaxy will weave together in a cosmic ballet. The stars within each galaxy are so far apart that they are unlikely to collide directly. Space is vast and mostly empty. Instead, they'll pass by each other like ships in the night. It's a serene yet powerful image. But here's where it gets really interesting. The gravitational forces at play will create a spectacular cosmic dance. The gravitational forces will cause stars to move in chaotic patterns, creating a mesmerizing display of cosmic motion. Stars will be flung into new orbits, changing the structure of both galaxies, and some may even be ejected from the combined galaxy altogether. These rogue stars will wander the universe alone. Our solar system could be flung into a completely new region of space. Imagine looking up at a completely different night sky. Over millions of years, the two galaxies will settle into a new, larger galaxy. This process will take a long time, but it will be worth the wait. Scientists have already given it a name, Milkomeda, or Milkdromeda. It's a fitting name for such a grand new galaxy. This new galaxy will be an elliptical galaxy, a sprawling, glowing sphere of stars. It will be a sight to behold. So, why should you care about something happening billions of years from now? What's the significance for us today? Well, it's a reminder of the ever-changing nature of our universe. Nothing stays the same forever, not even galaxies. It's a testament to the incredible scale and beauty of cosmic events. These events shape the universe in ways we're only beginning to understand, and it's a humbling thought that our place in the universe is part of such a grand, ongoing story. We're just a small part of a much larger picture. Next time you gaze up at the night sky and spot Andromeda, remember that it's not just a distant galaxy, it's a part of our future. You'll know that it's not just a distant galaxy, it's our future dance partner in a cosmic ballet that's been billions of years in the making. It's our future dance partner in a cosmic ballet that's been billions of years in the making. The universe is always in motion, always changing. Thanks for tuning in, space enthusiasts. Your curiosity helps us explore these incredible phenomena. Keep looking up, and keep wondering. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay curious. There's always more to learn and explore in this vast, amazing universe of ours.